In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a dispute on Alibaba 2025, step by step. If something went wrong with your order, maybe it arrived late, damaged, or not as described, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to raise a dispute the right way. Before we start, it helps to have your order number and any photos or videos of the issue ready so you can move through the process smoothly. First, go to Alibaba.com and sign in. Use the same buyer account you use for the purchase, so the order appears correctly. Once you're in, head to My Alibaba, then choose Orders or All Orders. Find the order that has the problem. You can usually filter by date or status if you have a long list. Open the order details to confirm you're on the right item and supplier. Next, check that your order is eligible. Disputes generally cover issues like an item not received, a product that's damaged or incorrect, a shipment that's late, or goods that don't match the description. Make sure the order is still within the trade assurance protection period. You'll typically see that time frame in the order details. If protection has ended, the dispute option may be limited. When you're ready, select the order and click Open Dispute or Request Refund. You'll be prompted to choose a reason. Pick the option that most accurately describes what happened. That helps the system route your case correctly and sets expectations for the supplier. Now provide complete details. Clearly explain the problem in plain language. Add photos or videos that show the issue, close-ups for defects, wide shots for packaging, and any labels that help verify what was received. Enter the refund amount you're requesting. If the problem affects only part of the order, a partial refund may make sense. If the whole order is unusable, request a full refund. Attach any supporting documents that strengthen your case, such as invoices, shipping confirmations, or correspondence. Review everything carefully to ensure it's accurate and consistent, then click Submit. Alibaba will notify the supplier and open a case. Keep an eye on your messages and email for updates. After submitting, communicate with the supplier through the Alibaba chat. They may propose a refund, replacement, or another solution. Be specific, stay professional, and keep all discussions on the platform to preserve a clear record for protection. If you can't reach an agreement, escalate the dispute. Click Escalate Dispute, and Alibaba will review the evidence from both sides and decide on a refund or resolution. Respond promptly to any requests for additional information to avoid delays. That's the process from start to finish. Follow these steps, document your issue clearly, and you'll give yourself the best chance at a fair outcome.